taifa letu, His Excellency President Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda.
Thank you, President, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, Margaret Kenyatta. We are here indeed based upon the friendship between the people of Rwanda and the people of Kenya and the leadership teams of both countries to condole with you, President, the family of the late Daniel Arap Moi and the people of Kenya. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to directly give to you our condolences and also to mention the almost obvious fact that when the people of Kenya are grieving, it goes as far as our country and our people join you in the grieving. And if Kenyans succeed and make progress, we also share in that. So, President, thank you, and we'll continue to be with you as we all remember this gallant leader, one of the gallant leaders of this great country of Kenya, and may God accord him eternal peace. Thank you.